Hey everyone, so it's day 4 or 5 now, and well, batteries have still not come yet, but we finally got an order or a date when they're going to come here. It's on Monday. It's Saturday, so I gotta wait even longer. But now that the old batteries the old batteries have not gained any charge. I mean, it turns on, we know the motor works now. Which is awesome. Brakes work too. Disc brakes work. Charger works, we know that. So I can show you guys here. If it reaches, it will. It'll turn red when charging, even though these batteries can't charge anymore. Which is awesome. But yeah, we're well, the next part will be when we got brand new batteries. Alright everyone, the batteries have literally just arrived, and look at the buttes under the styrofoam. They are awesome. Beautifully white, permanently sealed, maintenance-free sealed lead acid battery. Those are the ones. Alright, yep, 12 volts, 7.5 AH. Oh man, you guys, this is gonna be good. Alright, let's get ready to get these installed. And yeah. Alright guys, I know you guys didn't see me put the batteries inside, but we did get the new batteries. And they are inside here, and they're wired up with brand new connectors on them. Pretty typical. I'm sure you guys would understand how that works. I'm sorry that I couldn't catch it on film with everything happening and everything. I'll show you some video footage here soon. Me driving it. It's gonna be pretty good. And alright guys, so after you guys have seen with the new batteries in and everything, now I know my filming hasn't been all that great throughout all of this, but this is really awesome. The motor spins and everything. I don't really know where I'm at in the footage, so I'm just going over this part, but I'm getting ready to take it out for a drive, and it's gonna be a good one. And I'm gonna have cameras and everything. It's gonna be great. People are gonna be looking at me like I'm this huge man on this tiny little moped. This thing is awesome. It's got some speed. Now I'm not gonna be able to have a speed calculator, but I do know that it goes about 15 to 14. It depends on the air in the tires. And also a little tip for speed: put as much air in the tires as possible to where, I mean, you see that right there? I mean, there's barely any squish. Same with the back tire. Back tire is more, you know. And whew, I'm dusty still. I'll blow out the cobwebs when I start driving. And this is gonna be awesome. Alright guys, let me get all cameras set up. Let me get out there, and I gotta take some of these warning stickers off. Goodness.